Hey, how are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing pretty well, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. So, tell me about yourself. What do you like to do for fun?
Well, I love spending time outdoors, going for hikes or bike rides, and exploring new places. I also enjoy reading, watching movies, and trying new foods.
That sounds like a lot of fun. What do you do for work or study?
I'm currently studying business at university. I'm in my second year and really enjoying it so far.
Nice. What made you choose business as your major?
I've always been interested in entrepreneurship and starting my own business someday. I thought studying business would give me the skills and knowledge I need to make that happen.
That's really cool. What kind of business do you want to start?
I'm not entirely sure yet, but I'm interested in the tech industry and would love to create something that helps people in some way.
That's a great goal to have. What kind of music do you like to listen to?
I'm pretty open-minded when it comes to music, but I tend to gravitate towards indie rock, electronic, and pop. How about you?
I like a lot of different genres, but lately I've been listening to a lot of hip hop and R&B.
Nice. Any particular artists you recommend?
Yeah, have you heard of Anderson? Pac or SCA? They're both really talented.
I haven't heard of them, but I'll definitely check them out. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. So, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's a rescue and I've had him for a few years now. He's the sweetest dog and always brightens up my day.
Ah, that's so cute. What breed is he?
He's a mixed breed, but we think he's part lab and part border collie.
Sounds like a great mix. Do you have any travel plans coming up?
Not at the moment, but I'm hoping to take a trip somewhere once it's safe to do so. I've always wanted to visit Europe, especially Italy and Spain.
Those are both amazing countries. I hope you get the chance to go soon.
Thanks, me too.
Well, it was great getting to know you better. Let's hang out again soon.
Definitely, let's make plans soon.
Sounds good. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Hi, my name is John. What's your name?
Hi John, my name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. So, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm from New York City, and I just graduated from college with a degree in psychology. I'm currently looking for a job in my field.
That's interesting. What made you want to study psychology?
I've always been fascinated by the human mind and how people think and behave. I wanted to learn more about it and help people at the same time.
That's really cool. What kind of job are you looking for?
I'm hoping to find a job in counseling or therapy. I want to work one-on-one with people and help them work through their problems.
That's admirable. What do you like to do in your free time?
I love to read and watch movies. I'm a big fan of science fiction and fantasy. I also enjoy hiking and exploring new places.
That sounds like fun. Do you have any favorite books or movies?
Yeah, I love the Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter series. My favorite movie of all time is The Matrix.
Those are some great choices. What kind of music do you like?
I'm really into alternative and indie rock. My favorite bands are The Strokes and Arctic Monkeys.
I like those bands too. Have you seen them live?
Yes, I've seen The Strokes twice and Arctic Monkeys once. They were amazing.
That's awesome. Well, it was nice talking to you, Sarah.
You too, John. Thanks for asking about me. Hi there. It's nice to meet you. Can you tell me a bit about yourself?
Hi. Yes, sure. My name is John and I'm originally from California. I'm currently studying at the University of Texas, majoring in business.
That's interesting. How do you like studying business?
I really enjoy it. I find it fascinating to learn about how companies operate and how to make them successful. What about you?
I'm actually a teacher. I teach English to students from all around the world.
That's great. I've always admired teachers. It must be very rewarding to help people learn a new language.
It definitely is. So, aside from studying, what do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I'm really into sports. I like to play basketball and go for runs in the park. I also enjoy watching movies and hanging out with friends.
Nice. I also enjoy playing sports, although I'm not very good at basketball. What's your favorite movie?
That's a tough one. I have a lot of favorite movies, but I think my top pick would have to be The Godfather. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. It's a classic. I also really like The Shawshank Redemption.
Oh, that's a great one too. I haven't seen it in a while, but I remember really enjoying it.
Yeah, it's definitely worth watching again. So, do you have any plans for after graduation?
I'm not entirely sure yet. I'm considering getting a job in the business field, but I'm also thinking about going to graduate school to get my MBA.
That sounds like a good plan. Well, it was really nice to meet you and learn more about you, John.
Likewise. Thanks for asking.
Hi, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Hi Sarah, my name is John. Nice to meet you too.
So, tell me about yourself. What do you do?
I'm a student. I'm studying economics at university.
That's interesting. What made you choose economics?
Well, I've always been interested in how money works and how businesses operate. Economics seemed like the perfect fit for me.
That makes sense. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play basketball and go hiking. I also enjoy reading books about history and science.
That's cool. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother. He's still in high school.
Nice. How about your parents? What do they do?
My mom is a nurse and my dad is a software engineer.
Wow, that's impressive. Do you have any plans for after you graduate?
I'm thinking about pursuing a career in finance or consulting. But I'm still exploring my options.
Sounds like you have a lot of potential. I wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors.
Thank you, Sarah. It was nice talking to you.
Likewise, John. Have a great day.
Hi, nice to meet you. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Hi, nice to meet you too. Sure, my name is Emily and I'm currently a student at the University of California. I'm majoring in psychology and I'm in my second year.
That's interesting. What made you decide to study psychology?
Well, I've always been interested in understanding human behavior and why people do what they do. I also want to help people with their mental health.
That's admirable. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy reading books, going on hikes, and practicing yoga. I also love trying new foods and exploring different restaurants in the city.
That sounds like fun. What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading self-help books, biographies, and fiction. I just finished reading The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho and it was really inspiring.
I've heard good things about that book. What are your plans after you graduate from college?
After I graduate, I'm planning to pursue a master's degree in clinical psychology. Eventually, I want to become a licensed therapist and open my own practice.
That's a great goal. What qualities do you think are important for someone in that profession?
I think it's important to be empathetic, patient, and a good listener. You also need to be able to communicate well and have strong problem-solving skills.
I agree. Well, it was great getting to know you.
Likewise. Thank you for asking about me.
Hi, Maria. Nice to meet you. Could you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Hi, John. Sure, I'm happy to share. I'm originally from Colombia, but I've been living in the United States for the past 10 years. I'm a teacher, and I love working with children.
That's really interesting. What do you like most about teaching?
I love helping children learn new things and seeing their progress. It's such a rewarding feeling to know that you're making a positive impact on someone's life.
That's great. I can see that you're really passionate about your job. What do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I love to read and watch movies. I also like to travel and explore new places. And, of course, spending time with my family and friends is very important to me.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Where's your favorite place that you've traveled to?
Oh, that's a tough one. I've been to so many beautiful places. But I think my favorite was when I went to Italy a few years ago. The food, the culture, and the scenery were all amazing.
That sounds incredible. I've always wanted to visit Italy. What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading all kinds of books, but I especially love historical fiction and biographies. I find it fascinating to learn about different people and places throughout history.
That's really cool. Do you have a favorite book that you would recommend?
Yes, one of my favorites is The Nightingale by Kristin Hannah. It's a beautiful story about two sisters in France during World War II.
That sounds like a great book. I'll have to check it out. Well, it was really nice getting to know you, Maria.
It was great to meet you too, John. Thanks for asking me about myself.